There's 156922 running in with an East Midlands Railway service from Matlock to Newark. You join us today at Nottingham, where you'll be seeing services by East Midlands Railway, Cross Country and Northern. We're a bit of freight as well. There's a HST set in platform 1 ready to work the 0943 from I think it's start
Derby, Skegness.
No, hold on.
Yeah, it would be
Yeah,
Derby,
it's the Jolly Fisherman to Skeggy from Derby. And there's also a full red set over there. That'll be working the 0945 to London St Pancras.
Hello and welcome back to another video by...
There's another 156-9 over in platform 2, which will work the 0955 to Skeggy.
We'll be seeing something from Railway, Cross Country, Northern and the very little country.
It's 156909.
Where's the service to the Castle?
Departing shortly will be the Jolly Fisherman from Derby to Skegness, the 0943. By 43-295 at the front.
43-295 will be taking away the 0943 East Midlands Railway for Skegness.
This will be the only run of the day that goes via Grantham. And we should hopefully be seeing this at Derby later.
1418.
Yeah, because we're catching the 1433.
Yeah, we were, yeah. 1433?
Yeah, it's a stopper from Sheffield to London.
Ooh.
Anyway, it's getting ready to depart now.
Once the cab door closes, it's on the off.
Alright.
Close the door.
It's off. Forty-three 295 at the front.
43295.
And at the rear, it is the Tomato, 43238.
And 43238 is on the rear.
Meanwhile, also departing shortly, we'll have the 0945 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. We're not going to be able to get the front for you, but the rear is 43251.
43251 will take away the 0945 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras.
We might see the return of this at Loughborough. I mean, it's a slim chance, but we might. Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Wind Central, Widnes, Liverpool South Parkway, and Liverpool Lime Street. It's formed by a pair of unrefurbished 158s. You know, the norm. It's 0945 currently, about to turn 46. 158 780 is at the rear.
158 780 is on the rear. The front.
And I saw 158 777 was at the front.
158 777 on the front.
Just as I thought, it's 158 777 at the front. How does a Meridian terminating it?
You're coming now, basically, terminating the
Right, so that's in the
it's BMR regional livery.
yeah.
Triple two
009.
009 in its instrument livery.
Looking good. And now the 158s are clear to depart. Well, they should now be clear to depart.
009 your stop.
And now
And get
158 777 and 158 780 should be ready to depart. Well, they should be getting ready. Well, they should be ready to depart now. Well, the signal's still red. Oh, that Meridian terminated in early. Alright, 158 777 is finally cleared to depart.
158 777 is getting ready to drop with
It,
slightly
it's
delayed.
working the slightly delayed 0947 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. Oh! There's another Meridian terminating it. One 780 is at the rear.
158 780.
Just as on the side, we've got another Meridian coming in. 101. It's 000 101.
101.
Terminating in with another service from London to Pancras, I believe. That's either terminating in from a service from London to Pancras. Yes, it is because there were people on it. I think. I'm fairly sure I saw people on it. 101 has came in welcome to service from London. 009 has came in empty from Etches Park. Meanwhile, we have a Deutsche Bahn Schenker Class 60 pulling into 3.
Not normal.
And I think we also have a terminating service from Worksop.
Yeah, it's a 156.
Something 153. Ow.
Ow. Yeah.
Calm down, 60.
Yeah, that's late. But then again, it doesn't have very long at Nottingham.
It's supposed to be 414 or 413.
There's something.
444.
5.
Now it's going to 4. 156 414.
414.
55 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness.
Oh, guess you're right, it is going to 5.
What about
156 414 is at the front. At the rear is, oh for God's sakes, it's 153 355. Sounding good. Can't be coupled.
Boston, Wakefield, and Skegness. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
2-coach Skeggy train, 3-coach workshop train.
55 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness.
Yeah, because that'll make a great thumbnail. 60039.
60
This is running from Lindsay to Kingsbury. $60.39 Dove Holes. It's all that it's pulled into 3, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But again, that ECS pulled in on 7, so that took the path from it, didn't it?
Probably not. I mean, I do believe we've got a break.
After this, we'll have a terminating service from Sheffield, or before. No, it's after. Ooh! It's got the road. Upside of the door train. Gets to see 60s regularly. Downside, the 60s deafen you. Isn't that right?
Yeah. I've already lost 7% on target.
I've already lost 6%. Now we've got 7.
So we're there for 93%.
Yeah. Huh. Only lugging around 3,000 tons. I said that as if it's a small amount. Departing now is the 0950. Is that right? 0955 East Midlands Railway serves the Mansfield Water. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? 153.
It's ECS.
Are you sure about? Oh yeah, it is empty.
When I first saw it, I was hoping it wasn't going to be a 1K service to Mansfield Wood House.
I still think it is going to be, you know.
How can it? If that's departing, and 414 is platform number. So that's why it's delayed. That service, that train, that 153 is going to need ECS to Derby at this park.
No, the only ECS road to Park is the Meridian. Incoming now, we have a terminating cross-country service from either Birmingham New Street or Cardiff Central.
Cardiff.
I am also inclined to say Cardiff.
Because if it's going to Birmingham New Street, it's Cardiff. It's from Cardiff.
Well, either way, it's on that line. Where's it going? One. Where that Meridian is.
Yeah, because that would depart first.
Are you sure that's the 10:07?
Because if that isn't, how the heck is...
You do realise
if that isn't...
You do realise triple two...
101 is...
It's stuck. Unless it goes into East Croft, reverses, and then comes out along here. Either way, the Turbostar is 176.36.
176.36 is brought in a terminating service from Cardiff, most probably.
Or Birmingham, which has just gone into local lockdown. Pulling in now, we have a terminating Northern 150 from Sheffield.
150-2.
Yeah. Hopefully it's not a cattle truck.
I'm confused now. What the heck is the 0955 East Midlands Railway service to Thingamajiggle?
Cancelled.
152.
150. 225.
350. 150.
You just said 350.
152. Mark that is on.
Incoming now, I think we have 153355 again.
153355 is coming back in.
Well, we think it is.
Leicester, Market Harborough, Kettering, Wellingborough, Bedford,
Please, no. Please don't,
London
please.
St Pancras. This train is
Please don't,
for
people.
5:30.
Yeah, it's the return of 153355.
153355.
I think I know what this is. It's an alternative It's an alternative way of getting into the station, because I think that we attach and go to the Liverpool train. Putting in now is the 1028 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln.
1028.
28 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. Ordered York Castle.
156912.
156912.
Hey Josh, did you know that there's only actually 2 train operating companies that own all three of 153s, 156s and 158s? East Midlands Railway and Northern. Northern also just happen to own all of the Sprinters, aside from the 159s.
London St Pancras.
Okay,
Getting ready to depart shortly will be the 1012 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras.
Can I make fun now? 1012 London East Midlands Railway service to Pancras, 72009.
And it's worked by 22209. Meanwhile, as putting in now, we have the 1007 cross country service to Birmingham New Street, which is literally just pulling in empty from the depot.
Platform 5A for the 1070 Northern service.
22209 is off. It's 117.108. Right now is the date running 10:07 cross country service to Birmingham New Street. Worked by 170-108. Getting ready to spawn now will be the 10:17 Northern service to Leeds, worked by 150-225. 150. I meant Sheffield. A 150 is always a nice substitute, but it can't really manage the schedule, can it?
We are sorry that the 10:34 East Midlands Railway.
Please tell me it's not. Please tell me it's not 3+2. Please tell me it's not 3+2. I'm just taking a look into the. It's 3+2. It's literally just a glorified cattle truck. Hang on. You see that over there?
Yeah.
That's the HST diagram.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's a meridian.
Yeah, I know. It's the meridian working the HST diagram.
Some may be exempt, and not every condition or disability is visible.
6 or 7. Take your bets. 7.
7.
I mean, both are 3. It's not even 004. Zero 13. Oh, for Pete's sake! Look over there, Josh. 156. I thought that was a 153. Anyway, there's triple 013. Meanwhile, also departing, we'll have the 10:18 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock.
What?
Unless it's already buggered off. To which it hasn't. It is on its way now though, it's a 158.
Departing now was the 10:18 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock.
And that 156 is terminating from Skeggy.
So the 158 is 158.
It's 799.
799 most probably come in.
Working the 10:18 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock.
Now.
Joshua, as per the norm.
Right
now is the 10:26 East Midlands Railway service to Worksop.
Well, I was about to say 10:17. I do not know. Gamma part now the 10:26 East Midlands.
10:34 East Midlands Railway service to Peterborough is delayed by approximately 13 minutes.
Not a surprise.
Blah blah blah.
Excuses.
Yeah, you see that over there? There's a pair of 153s.
Together we can keep each other safe while travelling work.
Trailing behind the 156-9. 156 414 is off. With the 10:26 East Midlands Railway service to Worksop.
No.
153355 appears to have just buggered off to the depot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I do believe putting in now we have the 10:47 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool. 158864. Yes, this is the Liverpool train. Oh, hold on. The 153 can't couple at that set. Can't couple at the end, like that front end.
Now back.
Coming in there, we have some 158s. 158773. 153376. Hold on, 158773. What are you doing? I know what it's doing. 158773 is coming out of the depot to start from 1034. That's 158862. 852 even.
No, it's not. No, it. Yeah, and you're absolutely wrong.
It's not going to depart on time, it's going to depart a couple minutes late, but that's it. Right now, 156404. We're from 1035 East Midlands Railway comes to Leicester.
1564.
What a lineup right there, that'll make an excellent thumbnail. Even though I've already said that multiple times. That wasn't quite what I'd call coupled up, would you? That isn't quite what I call coupled up, is it?
No.
I mean, unless these two are going to head off into the depot. And they're empty. It's cancelled.
Yeah, unbelievable. Oh, Peter, I'm unbelievable again.
So apparently these two were supposed to be coupling up to 156405. But now they're heading off empty. Hold on. I think I know what's happening. I think they're going to hold the 1047 so that these two can couple up to it. I think that's what's going to happen. I'll record it. Departing now will be the 1045 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Worked by 222013.
Phew. Get a make part now for 1045 East Midlands Railway service to the London St Pancras.
You almost said Liverpool Lime Street again.
I know I did.
The train at platform 6B
Is the 1047 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street.
Going,
Oh, it's clagging away, definitely. 222013 is off. Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. Well, now we have a terminating East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras. This is running a few minutes late.
Meridian, Quinto.
Oh, it's coming into here. It's going into 5.
Nice.
103. You're kidding me. You're having a giggle, mate. Down to this thing will be heading off to Edgehill Park.
This could be kept around as well.
No, this thing will be heading off to Etches Park. Hold on. Where will the northern train go? For yeah, I guess so. Then the Matlock train. For there's already a train in for.
I don't know, to be honest.
At this road, the northern service will go into 3. I mean, 3, 6, and 7 are the paths that are open, aren't they?
Yes.
And part of 5.
5A, not a surprise.
Terminating
That
in
is
now.
definitely going into 4. It's got to.
Terminating in now, we have a Northern 158 from Sheffield. From the looks of it, it's just a 2-coach set. I mean, I have seen a 3-coach set on Nottingham Sheffield, or Nottingham Leeds before.
Probably will, Cam.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a 2-coach set.
Yep, that's going into 4.
Yeah, that's going into 4, alright. Then where would our train be going in?
To be honest, I don't know.
6 probably then. 158, 9, 10.
Perkins.
Our final train during our stay here is a terminating East Midlands Railway service from London to Pancras. This is a HST. At the front is 43 257. L&ER buffet. And at the rear is 43 305. Thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to do all the other stuff the other YouTubers try to do, and I'll see you next time for Trains at Attenborough. Take care. See ya.